Hi, it's Steve here from SMC County Garage SEAT, and today I'm going to show you around a vehicle that's just arrived with us in stock, and this is probably one of my favourite cars at the moment. This is a Cupra Formentor, and this is a V2 version 2 finished in black magic. Now this short little video is going to show you just a couple of minutes of what the vehicle has to offer. Now, first thing you notice when you get inside is a lovely big media system, lovely big media screen, but more importantly, these gorgeous leather heated sports bucket seats. Now that's a standard feature on this model, so you get so much car for your money. This particular one is just over 2 years old and has only covered 17,000 miles. Yeah, 17,000 miles. It's been very, very well looked after, and I say the next owner is going to be very lucky to take this one on. Now the Formentor it's a kind of in between an SUV and a conventional hatchback, so you've got a slightly higher seating position than you would have in a regular hatch, but not quite as high and as sort of clumsy as you would do in a regular SUV. Plenty of boot space with a split level boot floor, which if I can adjust one-handed, there you go. That means that when you fold the seats down, they go virtually flat, and you can do so with these little pull cords. There you go. So any bigger trips, bigger objects you're looking to carry, you can drop those down. This model features a reversing camera, which you can see on there, as well as sensors front and rear. Now, the Formentor comes in numerous different colours, but we've done so well with the metallic black versions, and I think part of that is down to the wheel arch extensions that they have, which just make the car look that little bit lower, that little bit sportier all the way around. Now I'm just moving the seatbelt out from where I folded the seat back, and that will allow you to fold the seat from opening the boot floor to get in from there. Now when you move into the driver's seat, this is where all the fun really starts. So you've got a heated steering wheel, you've got electric windows all the way around, you've got electric and heated and power folding wing mirrors. You've also got electric seat adjustments with memory feature. So no arguments where you've moved my seat, you can each have your own position. Now I'm going to jump in so I can show you a bit more of the media system. So this lovely big screen, which allows you to run through and say, turn on your heated steering wheel, turn on your heated seats. You can literally run and control everything from here. And it's a big display, so even when you're moving, you're not aimlessly poking things in desperation looking for where you want to go. Nice big navigation screen, lots of different views, so you can personalize this depending on what your preference is. Some people like these little icon tabs, and other people prefer just one thing being displayed. You have the option of running Android Auto or Apple CarPlay, and that will be done wirelessly on this model, and if your phone is compatible, you also have a wireless phone charger as well. We can change driving profiles, we can change the interior lighting, so you literally can spend plenty of time personalizing what's going on. Dropping down, there's the wireless phone charger, pair of USB-Cs, stubby little gear lever, and say the push button start and stop. On the left hand side, that runs through the driving controls for your cruise control. You have the flappy paddle gear selectors, made famous by our friend Mr. Clarkson, and in behind the steering wheel you can change the view. There's the mileage, 17,055. So yeah, very low mileage. Now this car, being that it's just only just over 2 years old, still has another 12 months all bar of its 3-year SEAT manufacturer's Cupra warranty. So if you like the look of this, you'd like to discuss it in more detail, then please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thanks for watching, really appreciate it. Take care for now. Bye bye.